Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix cannot verify identity. This phone number is incorrect. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. When you are going to create your Apple ID, when you are going to log in your Apple ID and want to get the verification code on your phone number, it's showing that cannot verify identity. And what you need to do, guys, just simply you have to close this page, and first of all make sure that you are entering correct phone number. Recheck your phone number and also make sure that your phone number is not being used with the other Apple ID. Okay guys, and after that you have to open the settings and you have to make sure that you are properly connected with internet. So if you're not connected with internet, just simply turn on aeroplane mode, then turn this off. If you're using Wi-Fi, turn it into mobile data or vice versa. And after that, tap on general. From here you have to go to date and time, and you have to turn off set automatically and select that correct time zone. Once you have done this, guys, you have to open settings again. Now after that, guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on general again. Now from here, guys, make sure that you're not connected with a VPN. Okay guys, just simply you have to tap on language on region, and also make sure that you have select the region in which you are living. Okay guys, just simply you have to select that region. Okay guys, after selecting the region, guys, you have to close this page. Now open the settings. Now from here, guys, you have to tap on privacy and security. Now from here, guys, you have to go to location. Just simply you have to turn on your location, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.